Alright, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cut laminate, show you a couple do's and don'ts and issues that I've ran into in the past. This is my first time cutting laminate. It's pretty simple, but these are just some quick tips to start with. Get a fine tooth blade for your circular saw. I'm going to use a circular saw. It's this one right here. I already put the blade on. I use 60... or a blade with at least 60 teeth. I know you can go finer than that, but I know 60 teeth works just fine. You want to measure the part you're going to cut. You're going to flip it over and cut from the bottom side of the laminate sheet. These are laminate countertops, but you want to tape the top and with painter's tape. That's what keeps it from chipping. But I'm going to go ahead and get this flipped over, and then I'll go from there. Okay, so I have the table or the countertop flipped over. The next thing you want to do is make a line. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it from there. Okay, you make a line. Obviously, double check your measurement. This would be not a cheap mistake, but I guess I fucked up worse. But the next thing you want to do, get your saw, but you're going to start from this side. I always start from the thin side, go all the way down, and then cut and almost like round it off. I'll show you in the video right now. My buddy's actually helping me. Another tip that a lot of times is overlooked and that will cause a lot of chipping on countertops is you need to make sure both sides are supported. If you have somebody with you, they can hold on to the small piece that you're going to cut off or the large piece, whatever, but you don't want it just to fall and snap, because that's actually going to cause a lot of chipping and breaking in your countertops or in laminate countertops. So you just want to have both ends supported. And I'm going to cut it right now, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And I'll show you the whole little rocking part right now. That's not the side we're using.
Yeah, but if this side's pretty good, that side's pretty good too.
No, honestly, these cuts did turn out really good. My buddy's here. He said it's good. I don't know if it's because this thing has like this. Can I see this? I don't know if it's because this has this concave thing, and usually the countertop, the other countertops that I've cut, they literally just round it all the way on the edge. I don't know if that has something to do with it, but like I said, I freehanded all this. They turned out pretty good. I'm gonna take a belt sander to it, smooth them out. But for the most part, I'm done. I'm out. Oh, something else, I guess, now that I still have you going, I'm going to link a bunch of this stuff in the description. I'm going to link the saw blade I used. It's just going to be a 60-tooth saw blade. I'll link a saw in there. I'll link the saw horses. I think that's pretty much everything I used. Just painter's tape, pencil. Everybody has pencil. I'll link a Mexican that'll help you out. Anyways, I'm out.